Today's video, I want to introduce you to a new, unstoppable niche that allows you to work from home using a laptop or smartphone and earn $12,000 a month. It's also simple to get started for a complete beginner. You are not required to use camera or show your face or to film your own videos. Anyone can do it since it's simple, easy, and just minimal skill is needed. But before I reveal the secret, please scroll down and click the like and subscribe buttons for my short, straight to point with no BS video. Thanks. Additionally, if you want more details on YouTube automation, click the link to the free masterclass in the description. It's not mine, but it came from someone who will reveal more secrets to you. So the niche is called self-improvement niche. And it's one of the evergreen and high CPM niche. So the channel you can try modeling is called Brainy Dose. And it makes video on topics related to relationships, but it has also started getting into self-improvement and psychology and making videos on these topics. Their video format is simply, they use stock footage and use voiceover to present the topic of their video. And you have to do the same. You can use free stock footage from sites like pixel.com, but remember to use 2 to 3 seconds of videos only to avoid copyright and reused content. And for audio, hire a voiceover artist for audio, or simply use your own voice, or use any text-to-speech human sounding software like Wellsaid Labs or Murph.ai. And for the content, you can search article online on Google and write your own script. Now the bonus section for watching till far. You can also use affiliate marketing to monetize your videos from day one. You can go on sites like ClickBank or Digistore24 for digital products and promote in your videos. You just have to copy and paste this method and start your own channel. Hope you liked it, and if yes, share and like this video, it will be appreciated. Take care and have fun making ton of money from YouTube.